Good morning, and welcome to another installment. This is my 2006 BMW 330i, and today I've got some things and some stuff. So first up, I've got a box here from the Rock of Auto. I've got two motor mounts. I've got transmission mounts that I'm not sure if I'm going to get to or not. These are the old BMW solenoids. And so the story behind this, I don't know if I recorded this or not, but I was having a weird idle issue where at stoplights and such, it would act like it was going to stall. And I took these out, just for sake of taking them out and cleaning them. And I noticed that they don't say BMW on them. In fact, they don't say anything on them. They have no part numbers, nothing. So what I did was I went to a scrapyard where I got this fancy crappy engine cover, and I got two legitimate BMW solenoids, and they charged me nothing because they thought that they were just oil temp sensors, and I didn't correct them. So anyways, that fixed that. But also we have a CCV valve, I believe it's called, as well as this is a washer fluid level sensor. I'm not going to get to that until I get a washer fluid bottle and a filler neck, so I can replace that whole thing, so I can have washer fluid again. Bebop. Also, excuse my rhino ramps here, I've got sway bars, and I have two struts, original equipment from the same scrapyard BMW that I got the Vanos solenoids from. Side note, I was planning to get both original headlights and a full set of coils, but they wanted way too much for them, because these are supposed to be able to the tilt with the ride height and everything and adjust, but the beams are just all over the place, and the adjustment knobs in there, the adjustment screws have all been worn out, and if you look close enough you can tell the clear coat's starting to peel off. So I just decided I'm going to get rid of these, get a pair of original halogen adaptive headlights, get them cleaned up, get them looking nice, and then just replace both of them, have original equipment, put LEDs where I can, and yeah. Also, as you can see, I've replaced both kidneys, and I have one hood trim. Now I'm going to replace both of these because this one's a little but I think that looks way better. I'm still going to replace the front bumper, but that's pretty low on my priority list as of now. So first up, I'm going to pop the wheels off and get these horrid coilovers off and get the struts on. So trying something new today. I got a stand for my phone. I'm going to try doing a time lapse. So here goes nothing. All right, so this has been fun. I got the old crap off, and I got these new struts on. Turns out they removed these to get their crappy struts to work, so I'm gonna have to find a way to remount those. But here they are, you know, looking as weathered as ever. But I do have my brand new sway bars installed. Everything's been torqued down, everything's been installed. I just got to get the wheels back on, torque those down, and I don't know, I feel like there's supposed to be some kind of cap that goes over this, but we'll see what I can find. Anyways, I want to put these tires back on, and then maybe lunch, and then after that maybe we can tackle the motor mounts, and then the rideability and how much this thing vibrates will be reduced significantly. All right, so here we are. I got both struts installed, torqued down. I did get the original, what are these called? Brace pads? I don't know, brace mounts. I got those remounted with some hardware. Not original, obviously, because these would have been riveted in, but these are in the original locations now. And I suspect the car will settle a little bit more, because this is how it sits now, which that's okay. I honestly don't care what it looks like. I just want it to ride better. with those damn coilovers it rode like a rock in the front. So I expect great things. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna get to the motor mounts, honestly. I'm kind of tired, but we'll see. After some fiddling, I got underneath, looked at what was going on down there, and due to the fact that I don't have a 2 foot long 3/8 extension, or half, I'm going to have to postpone the motor mount. However, getting the struts done is more than I was expecting to have done. He's got lots of YouTube watching going on there. But I may look into a alignment now that I have all stock suspension components. But honestly, even with just the struts replaced, it looks way better. So I may hold off on the alignment until I drive it a little bit and see if it's, you know, better or worse or whatever. This makes me sad. Don't look at that. Okay, well, I guess if that's the case, then We're kind of done here, aren't we, Garrett?